So the token price is at 0.006526. It's up 5.6% since yesterday. And the market cap that they already have is $2.4 million. What's up, guys? In this video, we will be talking about a metaverse project that will let users own their data and social identity, and a decentralized AI digital twin that you guys could use anywhere. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Virtual Versions. Link will be in the description of the video. They are building a new era of social identity, which they actually enable users to own their data and social identity. And the best part is that you can use your digital twin anywhere. Now, the features of this Virtual Versions, guys, is that it is an AI generative avatar infrastructure that is available for Web 2, Web 3, VR, and AR, or AR is the augmented reality app, and AR apps, guys, that are going to be available in customizable 3D avatars in 22 seconds from a single standstill image. Imagine that, right? Alright, so just like what you can see on your screen right now, guys, VV Social is an app where users can create content with 3D avatars, monetize data, and build a unique digital ID. And they're actually aiming for high impact growth on TikTok and other social media platforms. Now, these are the key features of the app. So discover the limitless potential of Virtual Versions and VV Social. So you can see first one is digital ownership empowered. The next one, AI powered avatar creation, seamless social connections, and limitless exploration. So you can go ahead and check them out. It is going to be available on Android and Apple, as you can see here. So they're coming soon for Google Play and for App Store. Now you can stay connected and also put your email here. That way you will be informed on whatever announcements that they are doing. And all their social media platforms are here. You could go ahead and click on them. I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and follow or subscribe to all their social media platforms. That way you will be always updated whenever they have like airdrops, giveaways, raffles, and all those good stuff. All right. The next one would be the Unis. So Unis paves the way for a decentralized ID and metaverse where users thrive as a self-determined pioneers for the digital realm. So they are basically creating digital footprints of people in their metaverse. So that is basically the gist of the project. And you can go ahead and check them out, guys. I would strongly suggest that you do your own research. They even have their story or their about here. So since 2017, guys, Unis Labs has been at the forefront building of generative AI technologies, empowering individuals with digital ownership and liberating them from being commoditized. So these are your team, and they are actually looking for developers and designers. So if you are a developer of Unity and if you're like a creative designer, you can go ahead and check them out as well. This could be a very, very good working or career opportunity for you guys. Now, next one that I would also like to show is the partners behind the project. And later on, guys, I will show you the token price in CoinMarketCap, and it is actually doing well. All right, so they have Downmaker, Gotbit Hedge Fund, they have Inceptor, and a lot more in here. You can go ahead and check them out as well. And you could also check out those partners if they are legit. If you are doing your own research, make sure that you also check them out. But one thing's for certain, guys, in my honest opinion, if they have like backers or partners or venture capitals like these, you know, these people or these venture capitals are doing their own research and they require a lot of documents from the project creators before they start investing and backing their projects. So this is one good signal that you are in the right track, but go ahead and check them out as well. All right, so this is also how you could buy your VV. So you could click on this one. So you have Web3 and buy VV. You have the bridge as well there, and the tokenomics will be there in a bit. You have CoinMarketCap as well. So you can go ahead and check out, they have Bybit. See? I'm gonna get that, right? So you have Bybit, you have Uniswap, you have MEXC here, and you have PancakeSwap as well. Those are the places where you could purchase your VV tokens. All right, and for the tokenomics, guys, you have all these information right here. The total supply that they are going to be issuing is 1 billion tokens, and the initial market cap will be at 187,950. Let me go ahead and show you their market cap right now and their token price. So the token price is at 0.006526. It's up 5.6% since yesterday. And the market cap that they already have is $2.4 million already. So go ahead and check them out, guys. Look at their trading chart. It's doing really good. You know, hopefully the bullish state of the market will still continue on. Bitcoin lost a little bit right now and yesterday. Hopefully it could bounce back in the next coming days and break 50,000 very soon, right? And of course, guys, go ahead and check out the end screen videos. So those videos will definitely be helpful for your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell, and we will see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.